Do you have erectile dysfunction, fatigue, or feel lack of energy? Why it happens, and how to fix it? For many men, erectile dysfunction is a challenge regardless of their age. Erectile dysfunction may be caused by many factors, including general health condition or stress. The hidden power of these natural remedy drink that can repair your nerves. Drink 1 cup a day to kick the erectile dysfunction. Testosterone plays a key role in regulating sex drive and sexual function in both men and women. Low testosterone levels can lead to decreased libido, erectile dysfunction, and other sexual health issues. Testosterone helps to build and maintain muscle mass and strength, particularly in men. Low testosterone levels can lead to decreased muscle mass, increased body fat, and reduced strength. There are non-invasive erectile dysfunction remedies that may help to a certain extent, including proper diet and lifestyle changes. Today, I'm going to share with you the recipe for a powerful beet nut shot and talk about a 74-year-old with perfect erection revels his secrets. So let's get started. 1 glass daily can boost your testosterone level by 24%. Increase your testosterone naturally without any side effects. It's an organic testosterone booster to enjoy the moment. Here are the ingredients you will need for this beet nut shot as an incredible drinks to repair nerve damage to be a king in bed. 1 small beet, peeled and chopped. 1/4 cup of walnuts. 1 teaspoon of watermelon seeds. A handful of fresh leafy greens. 1/2 cup of water. You can add more for your desired consistency. A pinch of rock salt, jeera, and black pepper powder. With our ingredients ready, let's see the preparation steps. 1. Start by washing and chopping the beet into small pieces for easier blending. Now place the chopped beet, walnuts, watermelon seeds, and leafy greens into a blender. Pour in the water to help blending. If you prefer a thinner consistency, you can add more water. 4. If you would like to enhance the flavor, you can add a pinch of salt, jeera, or black pepper powder. Remember, this is entirely optional and can be adjusted to your taste. 5. Blend until all the ingredients are well mixed and the mixture is smooth. 6. You can garnish it with watermelon seeds or a leafy green for the desired presentation. There you have it, a simple but nutritious beet nut shot that can definitely help with erectile dysfunction and boost your overall health. Remember, to enjoy the maximum benefits of the shot, you must consume it immediately to preserve its freshness and nutrient content. This recipe for overcoming erectile dysfunction incorporates key ingredients to address various aspects of sexual health. Beet is rich in nitrate and enhances blood flow to support erection. Walnuts, with omega-3 fatty acids and arginine, promote heart health and blood vessel functioning. Watermelon seeds, containing citrulline, relax and dilate blood vessels, aiding blood flow to the reproductive organs. Leafy greens offer folates for sexual health support. Collectively, these components work together to help combat erectile dysfunction by improving circulation, heart health, blood vessel function, and overall sexual well-being. Get harder erection with this natural recipe. Along with trying out this beet nut shot, consider making other healthy lifestyle changes in your daily routine. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and stress management are all required for achieving good health goals.